Hello guys, this motherboard is iPhone 7 Plus. See, here is a written 7 Plus, okay, 5.5. So this motherboard is short, not power on, okay. When I press this power button, you will check the what happened with supply, okay. See, okay, and the motherboard getting hot. So I show you, see what is the condition of motherboard. So I show you the problem. Where is the problem? See, it's getting hot. Okay, check this. I remove this capacitor and show you what is the where is the problem. Okay, so only just remove here capacitor. One capacitor is short here. It's a NAND power supply. I will check see, I put here freeze spray. I put here freeze spray and show you which section is. Now check. Freeze spray is good tool to detect shortage. So see, where the shortage is go melt. See, I will show you. This capacitor is getting hot. When I press the power, see, these capacitors are getting short. So I remove this capacitor. Need a iron. We can detect easily with freeze spray. So I will remove these capacitors. So I remove this capacitor and now I check the See, mobile is working. Now I show you the display. Oh, there is a little bit problem. Also, it's little bit short. So here is no shortage. When we plug the LCD, see, it's working. Maybe this LCD is little bit short, so try again and check. Mobile is on, but there is no display. What happened? I will take another LCD and check. This LCD may be okay. बंद कर दो. No, same condition. Maybe removes other capacitor. Then check. This section is see, I remove other one and now check. Maybe see, I done it. So more help videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page. Thank you.